This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Mt5 is up to date and connected to the broker that provides volatility indices. Once done, open MarketWatch and press Ctrl plus U to open symbols. You need to find the volatility index under Indices or Synthetic Assets. Make sure to enable the symbol so it appears in MarketWatch. This first step gives you the trading feed and permissions required to add the chart. Proceed only after the symbol is visible and enabled. You now drag the volatility symbol onto a new chart and set the time frame that matches your strategy: 1 hour for medium term, 15 minutes for intraday. Once the chart is loaded, open Navigator and either apply the built-in indicator or a custom expert/advisor that your broker supplies. Make sure to configure inputs like period and source price. This affects responsiveness and smoothing. After applying, you should see volatility readings plotted. Adjust visual settings so values. You finish by saving the chart as a template so you can reuse the volatility setup instantly on any chart. Once saved, apply it to additional symbols or new windows to confirm consistency. If the volatility index shows gaps or no ticks, make sure your account has market access, the server is connected, and the symbol's contract specifications allow real-time quotes. If problems persist, reconnect to the broker, refresh symbols, or contact support for symbol provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.